Well, I would recommend we start a live demo to show you the product. Yeah? And I want you to interact with us on the product. Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course, it's important that you can see the difference. And then we can discuss, I think, finally, where is the difference. So first of all, this is just a really short slide deck that we can show you the showcase regarding self-learning, because the USP per se is to say, look, our system can learn in real time, because on a daily basis, you always have new things, an iPhone 12, new Corona measures, all these things. So the world is changing on a daily basis, as well as for banks regarding know your customer, anti-money laundering, and all these things which are important. So these are the slides which I'll show you shortly regarding our small use case, which we start with, and then we go into the direction you want to go to. This is important because it's a USP. It's the real-time self-learning.
Yeah.
This is my private inbox, So this is me, where I'm shooting out as a normal customer or a normal employee, as you want to have it. This is the demo at dynamic-ai.com. That means our AI is connected to this inbox. This inbox has 233 messages, which we trained it on. So the system knows it and understands it, and can learn from it. So this is a certain basic knowledge. And if you know the normal deep learning approaches, they need at least how many? 6,000, 7,000 messages per category. So much more than 10 times that. And if you consider this, how fast the tool can learn, it makes a huge difference in a daily business. So my question is, what do you want to train it on? Because if I tell you now something, you should do this, it could be fake, and I don't want to do this. So my question is, what do you want to train the system on now in real time? You can you can choose whatever you want.
Well, let's in the context of KYC, you would have something like a client sending a copy of their passport.
Okay. So hi guys.
As requested, the copy is in attachment. Something like that.
Requested by your call center agent. My passport is attached. Like this?
Yeah, something like that, yeah.
Okay, hi guys, it's requested by your call center agent. My passport is attached for the KYC check. Thanks. We also can keep it out KYC in the next one. It doesn't matter. But we make now one. So the system will get it wrong. This is for sure. But it does not matter. Most important is that it sees it for the first and it will guess something which is close. But it will be wrong. But this does not matter. The only thing it matters, it tries, and then we help it. And then we help it in the way you want it. And then we do it 2 to 4 times again, that you understand what the self-learning means in this case. So,
in the meantime, what is exactly the functionality that dynamic AI offers? Let's first look at.
So as you can see, it was processed, 19.7 seconds. So suggested answer needs operator approval because it's not sure, because it has never seen it before. The mistake in case of transaction got declined by your bank or credit card has. So it understands it has to do something with finance, payment problems, invoice, but it is not this. It is this KYC, and our system in the way that you can teach it whatever you want. So what do you want to have as an answer to your customer? Yeah?
Yes, in this case, thank you. We have well received, and that's usually what we do. And then there should be ideally a robot that picks up the copy and links it to that client in the file. That would be.
The customer, thank you. We have well received your document. We will be in touch with you soon. Thanks, PwC Bank. Thanks, PwC Bank. Thanks, and all the best, PwC. The customer, thank you. We have well received your document. We'll be in touch with you soon. So in this moment, the system has seen it for the first time. Yeah? That means we can train it. Okay. So we go there. So what do we have? Passport. So this was after 18.3 seconds. It only had seen it once, yeah? And you can see still needs operator approval because it's not sure. It's because of the probability, yeah? So dear customer, thank you. We have well received your document. We'll be in touch with you soon. Thanks and all the best, PwC Bank. And if you look here, similarity check. It is similar. So, hi guys, as requested by your cause and attached, yeah? 0% accuracy because it only has seen it once, yeah? And it says, hi guys, where can I find all about the deposit rules, yeah? So, it really starts learning, yeah? And this is really a true USP. So, what I do now is I delete this message, and I make copy paste, yeah? And it once again learns, yeah? And gets better, yeah? And
last one's in already, yeah.
So the ID, and you see 18.8 needs approval, dear Mr. Erlach, in case of your transaction got declined. So you see, similarity measure, the passport. Hi guys, please find attached my passport card for your reference. Agent told me to submit, yeah?
Yeah.
Passport. And then it also payment problem. Hi guys, my bank blocked my payment. They should, they said they would contact you, yeah? So it is not sure, yeah?
Yeah, but it picks up, yeah, I see.
Yeah, but keep in mind, I also sent it with this one message before, and I wrote it differently. Yeah. So what I do now is I put this in, and it has seen it again. Yeah. So let's make two last things regarding passport and ID. Yeah? Passport ID. So let's go there to the inbox. First one we have it. 20 seconds. Needs operator approval. Dear customer, thank you. We have well received your document. We'll be in touch with you. So what you can see, it checks now again, and you see the accuracy is growing. Yeah, we were not close to 0 where we only had 1, because this time we had 3. Yeah, and it can really differentiate according to it. Yeah, and it really differentiates the passport, the ID, KYC, sending copy. We always changed, you know, because people always write differently. Yeah, they don't always write in the same way. Yeah, and I just do it now for the case file, just that it learns more and better. Yeah. And here we have the ID and the ID. And after 20 seconds, dear customer, thank you. We have received the document. We will be in touch with you. And if you look at the similarity check, yeah, it once again has more. Yeah. And if you keep in mind, we sent this message directly after this passport, so it has not seen the message we confirmed before, you know. Yeah. So we have no statistics, but you can see the ID, for example, it has 66.7% after 4 messages where 1 was not approved before. So we have 66% accuracy after 3 messages confirmed.
Yeah,
which is almost nothing. So if we would do this now once again, we would have something about 80%. Yeah. And I think this is now very important. This classification. You know, the system is making a semantic classification. It really looks about the context. Yeah. And normally a human being has a 95% accuracy. That means you and me. If we are, if we have well slept, if we are happy and all the things, we have 95%. And most probably we have this 95% accuracy up to 20 males, yeah, and then it gets worse because you get tired. So you can decide for which category, for which things you want to have 95% accuracy, like a human being, huh? Or you say for FAQs, I only want to have 80% accuracy because it's not a big thing if it goes wrong, you know? And you can decide if the system should answer it automatically because you trust the system and it's not very important, yeah? Or that the system drafts it for the agent. That means over the weekend, all the emails are drafted, yeah? And a human being still looks over it. Or you say, for example, for insurance, if you have claims, it has to go, for example, to the department for claim management or legal opinions via Slack, yeah?
Yeah.
Because everybody's using now Slack internally or Teams, whatever. So you can decide how you want to do it.
Essentially, what we're saying is that if we plug it in the right place in the end-to-end process, for example, with the customer service team, after we plugged it in, they can actually manage very easily this themselves.
Exactly.
Yeah.
They control the system.
That. Yeah.
So you don't need us to do this. So when we have set it up, you have an ongoing stream of information, and the system gets better and better, as we have shown you before. Huh? It only gets smarter. And of course, if some of your agents are manipulating the system and teaches us, not correct things, the agent is violating, internal guidelines.
Like professional ethics too. So anyway, but no, I like this because it means that I can imagine any type of help desk applying this for first topic A, and then when it works well, they add topic B, and when they change their scope, they if they understand, they can follow how fast the system is learning something, whether it's a simple topic or a difficult topic, it will change. And okay, I can see it. Okay, cool.
And I showed that the system also has to learn, but it learns super fast, yeah? And you don't need this manual updates, which takes weeks, months, and costs you a lot of money. So when we have put the system in place, as you have told us regarding business, IT, compliance, legal requirements, yeah, you have it as you requested it, and you can run it by yourself without us. Yeah? Only, I don't know, we want to have this, please adjust this, please do this. We want to have that, yeah, I don't know. But for the normal operational business, you can drive it.
Yeah.
If you say, we want to be from tomorrow on a fintech, yeah, because this is what we want to do, then you can start with it and being a fintech and don't need us, yeah, for doing this.
Very clear.
So you're pretty free in deciding where to go without, hey guys, you have to do this, that. So it is really dynamic, and that's the reason why we call it dynamic AI, because it's really dynamic.
Okay, cool. I'm on it. I'm gonna let me.
If you need any use cases for banks, insurances, we have quite a couple of them. The cost saving should be over every single company.
Because my tech colleagues also work for other industries, so that wouldn't limit it. No, I'm gonna let me check it out and get back to you.
Yeah.
Good.
I would be super happy if you need anything. We're always there for you. And I would say, have a nice evening. Enjoy your evening.
I will.
I would be super happy.
Thank you very much.
In the future.
Have a good evening.
Thank you very much.
All the best. Bye.
Bye.